If you've ever wished your hair could feel as soft as it does after a salon hair spa, this recipe is for you. It's simple, uses everyday ingredients, and comes together in just a few steps. Start by washing half a cup of rice thoroughly. Add 1 cup of water and cook the rice until it's soft. Once the rice has cooled slightly, transfer it to a blender. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. Coconut milk is naturally rich in fats that help condition the hair, leaving it softer and smoother. Next, add 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and hydrating properties, making the hair easier to manage while adding lightweight moisture. Blend everything until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Now add 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps attract and retain moisture, making dry hair feel softer. Cut open 1 vitamin E capsule and squeeze the oil into the mixture. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that's commonly used in hair care to help nourish dry, damaged hair. Mix everything well until all the ingredients are fully combined. Your homemade rice hair spa is now ready to use. Apply the mask evenly through your hair from root to tip. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes. Then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. What's your favorite DIY hair treatment? I'd love to know what works best for you. Share it in the comments.